Welcome back to another saucy video. Today is November 1st, National Vegan Day. And in honor of National Vegan Day, we're going to be making a quick and easy chicken Parmesan sandwich. We're going to start by slicing some peppers. Then we're going to drizzle some olive oil on ciabatta bread. Then we're going to saute some peppers in a pan and add the ciabatta bread face down to toast it. We have here some smoked white cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella cheese. This is one of my favorite vegan chicken substitutes. It's called the Veggie Original Chick Patties, and it's made by Morning Stars. It has a really nice crunch on the outside, so it gives a good texture to your sandwich. So now we're going to take the toasted garlic bread and add the cheeses to one half of the bread. And then we're going to add the chick patties to the same side that has the cheese on it. We're going to then add the sauce to the patties. Then we're going to add the peppers. Next, we're going to add some more mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to set the temperature on the air fryer to 400 for 3 minutes. And voila, your quick and easy vegan chicken Parmesan sandwich. I hope you enjoyed my video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.